At the end of this learning video, you will be able to draw the chemical structure of fenformin, and you will be able to remember the chemical structure of fenformin. Fenformin is an example of oral hypoglycemic agents. That is, the antidiabetic medications which are taken by oral routes are called as oral hypoglycemic agents, and these drugs are used in the treatment of diabetes for lowering the blood glucose level. You know very well that if you want to remember the chemical structure of any drugs, first thing you must know its chemical class. So classification is an important part for remembering the chemical structure. The classification of oral hypoglycemic agents is as follows. And from this classification, you will come to know that the chemical class of fenformin is a biguanidine. So, fenformin is an example of biguanidine derivative. It is also called as biguanides. So, biguanides is also called as biguanidine drugs. Bi means two, means the two guanidine molecules are linked together by common NH link. Means you have to join the two guanidine molecules together by using a common NH links like this. So this is the first guanidine molecule and this is the second guanidine molecule, and this NH is the common link between these two guanidine molecules. So this is the structure of guanidine, and it will be very easy to remember the structure of guanidine if you know the structure of urea like this. You know the structure of urea, that is NH2 C double bond O NH2. So you have to just replace the oxygen with NH, then urea will becomes the guanidine. So it is very easy to remember the structure of guanidine, or it is very easy to draw the structure of guanidine from the urea. So you have to replace just this oxygen of urea with this NH. So it will becomes the guanidine. And then you have to join the two guanidine molecules by using a common NH links like this. So this is the structure of biguanides. If you know the structure of biguanides, then it will be very easy to draw the structure of fenformin. How? We will see. So biguanides must contain the substitution either aryl alkyl groups, substitutions either aryl alkyl group or alkyl group on one of the terminal nitrogen atoms. Either your substitution is on this terminal nitrogen atom or on this terminal nitrogen atom. So first one end should be substituted and another end is unsubstituted. Then it will shows a very good oral hypoglycemic activity. So those biguanides are having substitutions on one of the nitrogen atoms and another end is a free or unsubstituted, then it is act as active hypoglycemic agents. For example, fenformin and metformin. So let's see how to remember the chemical structure of fenformin. Fenformin is an example of biguanidine drugs or a biguanide. Means it containing the two guanidine molecules joined together by common NH links, and it must contain the aryl alkyl side chain, or you can say aryl alkyl group, which is attached to the one of the terminal nitrogen atoms. So that is here, or you can attach aryl alkyl groups on this terminal nitrogen atom also. So here I am going to share with you an interesting way to remember the structure of fenformin. You have to just observe the name of fenformin, and from the name itself you will get the idea about the functional groups or the rings which is attached to the bioguanidine derivatives. So this fenformin word itself, it will give the three different words, that is pH followed by E followed by formin. So already you know that the fenformin is an example of bioguanidine derivative. So first you have to draw the structure of bioguanidine derivative like this. Now this E stands for ethyl group and pH stands for phenyl ring. So phenyl ethyl group which is attached to the terminal nitrogen atom, that is aryl alkyl group, is attached. See here, this is the aryl alkyl group is attached to the terminal nitrogen atom of bioguanidines. So you have to just remember the which group should be attached to the terminal nitrogen atom. So in the case of fenformin, the phenyl ethyl group is attached to the terminal nitrogen atom. And how you have to remember? The fenformin is start with the pH. So pH stands for phenyl ring followed by E. E stands for ethyl group. So phenyl ethyl group must be attached to the terminal nitrogen atom of the bioguanidine derivatives. Then your structure will become fenformin. So this is the final structure of fenformin. I think it is an interesting way to draw the chemical structure of fenformin. So in summary, the easiest way to remember chemical structure of fenformin is as follows. Fenformin is an example of bioguanide class. Bioguanide, bi means two, that is two guanidine molecules are joined together through the common NH link. Then fenformin, it is a bioguanide derivative in which one of the terminal nitrogen atom is substituted by aryl alkyl groups, and from the name itself you will get idea about aryl alkyl group as follows. So pH stands for phenyl, E stands for ethyl. So phenyl ethyl group is attached to the terminal nitrogen atom. This is how you can able to remember the chemical structure of fenformin. Thank you for watching this learning video. Wish you all the best and happy learning.